This is the 2016 Sea Ray 270 Sundeck. And let's get a good shot of this hull. This boat has always been kept in high and dry, and it certainly looks it. If you look at this hull, I don't see any signs of wear anywhere on it. It just looks pristine. And here's a good shot of these covers. And you'll see it even covers the windshield. And every bit of the cockpit. And even the sun pad on the aft. Let's go ahead and walk you up the side. And let's start here in the aft with this very large swim platform. Big reason people buy these boats is to island hop and be near the beach, in and out of the water. Sea Ray gives you a great big swim platform to do that. And then you'll see this Mercury Verado. It's a 300 horsepower Verado. And keep in mind, this is a very, very low hour boat, and it's got the extended 8-year warranty on the boat, the Passport Premier. And then you'll see here, Sea Ray gives you a very large sun pad, or just great seating in the aft. Both sides of the sun pad lifted up. If you look in there, just cavernous storage. Right now, currently, the owner has the anchor stored in this locker. You look over here, he's got some floats stored. And obviously, Sea Ray gives you the ability to haul a large amount of stuff, keep it dry and organized. And then moving over to starboard, you're gonna see your stereo controls, and you're gonna see, if I lift up here, you're gonna see your showers, so you can shower off before getting in the boat. And then if I go ahead and lift on this hatch in the entryway, you're going to see just great wet storage. And then stepping into the cockpit, let's just give you a look around. Sea Ray provides just a terrific amount of seating in this bowrider. You'll see just a huge amount of seating in the cockpit. I flipped both backrests, and now the seating is facing the cockpit and providing just one giant circle of a conversation area or eating or whatnot. And then if I go ahead and I just lift up on these seats, and I just love this feature. You can see that all the cushions pop up on hinges, very organized, no wrestling with cushions, and allow us into the compartments. You'll see here just very large storage compartments. You'll see the table set up right there, and then I can give you a shot forward, but you'll see it's very large. Then come over here and you have a very organized battery and battery switch system, and you'll see it's very clean as well. And then if I come back here, you're going to see your cooler and quite sizable storage as well. And then before we leave the cockpit, we should show that there's drink holders just everywhere you look, as well as we should talk about this tower. It does fold down. You can see the switch right there to fold this whole tower down. And then in the aft, you're going to see your tow. And then over here, you're going to see Sea Ray did something really smart, and that is they put a step here. So if you have to pull up to a high dock to get in and out of the boat, very easy, very simple, just a couple steps. Go ahead and I lift up in the floor in the center of the cockpit. You'll see once again just another big storage area. And that will move us up to our first mate seating. Very large seating, comfortable, has its own bolster. And then in front of the first mate, of course, you have drink holders, speaker, but then you've got a lockable glove. And then if I go ahead and I just open up here, you're going to see a very large marine pump out head, even has its own window, has a sink, storage. And if I turn around, that brings us to the captain's seat, and you can see it's outfitted with a bolster as well. And then if I go ahead and I turn forward, that will bring us to the helm. And the first thing you notice sitting down at the helm is, wow, what a clean and organized helm this is. I mean, it looks like new. And directly in front of the captain, easy sight lines and reach, is this color Ray Marine. It's got your GPS, depth, ability to add radar. Then you're going to see your gauges, but just all very clean looking, very organized. Come down here, you've got another stereo control. You've got your switches, and then right by the right hand of the captain is the trim tabs. And then if I just take a step back, that is the helm. And now if I go ahead and I just open up this door on the side, you're going to see, once again, more storage, and you're going to see a stereo plus your plug-in for your phone. Then on the port side, you're going to see your wind guard, and then if I move up forward, that will bring us to our bow. And in this bow, if I go ahead and just put down these armrests, gives your passengers a little extra comfort in the bow. And then once again, you'll see just plenty of seating in this roomy bow. And then I'll go ahead and I'll lift up on these compartments. Comes up on hinges, no wrestling with cushions. And you'll see great access to storage with a drain. Lift up on the compartment in the floor, and once again, more storage. Right now he's got some fenders stored in there. And then if I come up to the center seat and lift up, you're going to see access to your anchor storage. And then all the way forward, open up here, and you have another swim ladder that goes off the bow for that comfortable in and out at the beach or island. And now's the time of the video where I give a condition report and name opportunities for the new owner to improve this boat. Looking around this boat with only 75 hours, you can tell just very little wear and tear. Looking around, everything looks to be in very nice condition. And when you add in the comprehensive warranty, this is just a great opportunity for somebody who's always wanted to own one of these outboard Sea Ray 270 Sundecks. But looking around, you can see just everything seems very immaculate. If you look at the helm, I mean, it just looks so clean. I don't really see any wear whatsoever. The boat's always been kept in high and dry. It's outfitted just as people would want. Just a ton of seating, ton of places to lay out, big swim platform, fold down tower, marine head, great stereo package, great color GPS fish finder, just a very comfortable, very good condition Sundeck.